We're going to look more at Ethernet as we go along, but let's just look at some of the history and some of the outstanding characteristics of Ethernet here. Just a few points, I think 6 or so points about it. First, Ethernet was born in 1976. It was a cooperative effort between DEC and Xerox. It was adopted then in 1983 by the IEEE as standard 802.3. It's important to know that number. It's important to know some of the most important numbers such as 802.3, 802.11, 802.5, which are different technologies with regard to computer communication. And so for the purpose of this lesson, 802.3 you need to know is Ethernet. Ethernet only refers to wired communication. It does not refer to wireless communication. So the original standard and the standard as of today still only refers to wired communication. Now, the original Ethernet referred to only 10 megabits per second over thick coaxial cable. We sometimes designate that as 10 base 5. 5 was the thick coax cable, 2 was thin coax cable, and 10 refers to 10 megabits per second. Base refers to baseband, which is a standardized method of transmission, so that all the different terms like 10 base T and so on all have the same base method of transmission, so that we can compare the speeds properly. There have been many amendments of the 802.3 standard over time, and what they do is just add letters. So we'll have 802.3V, for example, or 802.3Y, and those letters are lowercase letters when they are amendments that just add to a previous standard, and replacements when we use uppercase letters. So we have added a lot of things like different speeds. Now we have gigabit and different wired media, including fiber optic, for example, different technologies, different ways of designing the headers, all sorts of different things that we do to it in order to make it better and faster over time. So there have been many amendments. That's it for our Ethernet section, at least for the introduction to Ethernet. So we'll take a deeper look at some other Ethernet ideas later on in this lesson.